They call me Cuban Pete. I'm the king of the rumba beat. When I play the maracas, I go chick chicky boom, chick chicky boom. Yes, sir, I'm Cuban Pete. I'm the craze of my native street. When I start to dance, everything goes chick chicky boom, chick chicky boom. The señoritas, they sing and how they swing with their ampero. It's very nice, so full of spice. And when they're dancing, they bring a happy ring. The maraquero singing a song all the day long.
Ay, ay, ay.
So if you like the beat, take a lesson from Cuban Pete, and I'll teach you to chick chicky boom, chick chicky boom, chick chicky boom.
He's a really modest guy, although he's the hottest guy in Havana, in Havana.
See, señorita, I know that you would like the cheeky boom cheek. It's very nice, so full of spice. I'll place my hand on your hip, and if you'll just give me your hand, then we shall try, just you and I. So if you like the beat, take a lesson from Cuban Pete, and I'll teach you to chick chicky boom, chick chicky boom, chick chicky boom. Woo! Señorita!
Dubba dubba da, dabba 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 da, yeah. Ha. Dabba 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 da. Dabba 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 da. Shake your booty, daddy, wow, see ya.